This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening File Explorer and finding the video you want to preview. Once done, right-click the file and choose Open With, then pick Photos or Movies and TV so you get the built-in preview player. Make sure to select Set as Default if you preview this format often. That saves time later. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Space after selecting the file to open it quickly in the Photos app for a fast visual check. Now refine how you preview the clip. Press the spacebar to play or pause and use the left and right arrows to nudge the playback by small amounts. You can click anywhere on the timeline to jump ahead, and if audio is low, adjust the app's volume slider or system tray volume. For a closer look, toggle full screen with F11 or the on-screen icon, and if you need to check timing, change playback speed so you can inspect frames more carefully. To finish, close the preview and confirm the file details in File Explorer. Format, size, and modified date help you track versions. If the video refuses to play, don't panic. Try opening it with VLC or another third-party player because they include broader codec support. Make sure to copy the file to another drive or try another player to isolate corruption versus software issues. If codec errors persist, install the recommended codec pack or use the Movies and TV app from the Microsoft Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.